So before we move on to our next lesson, so alam ko na marami na po tayong mga nagamit na learning resources or Google platforms, YouTube at iba pang mga websites tulad ng SlideShare at iba pang mga search engines para lang makakuha ng extra materials na gagamitin sa pagtuturo para sa darating na pasukan. Ang dami-dami na po nating sinearch na mga ganyang mga sites. Pero wag po nating kakalimutan na ang DepEd mismo ay may sariling learning resource at portals na maaari nating magamit. So ito ay ang Learners Resource Management and Development System o LRMDS at ang DepEd Commons. So welcome sa Lesson 2. So, accessing learners' resources from DepEd portal. So, yan po ang ating Lesson 2. Okay, so in this lesson, you will walk through the LR portals hosted by the Department of Education, namely the Learning Resource Management and Development System, or the LRM DS portal and DepEd Commons. So likewise, you will explore other LR portals online. Okay. So by the end of the lesson, so you will be able to, number one, establish access to various LR portals. Number two, discuss the challenges in utilizing DepEd sanctioned LR portals such as LRMDS and DepEd Commons. And number three, determine the support systems available to you as a teacher in the use of LR portals. So, yan po yung ating mga objectives. So, key topics or concepts. So we have the DepEd Commons, the learning resources, the LR portals, and the LRMDS. So ano po yung mga required resources natin? So we have the LR portal user guide, access and registration, memorandum on DepEd Commons, study notebook, and the LR portal video tutorial na ipapakita ko po sa inyo later on. Okay, so Activity 1, establish access to the following portals. Number 1, the LRMDS portal. So ensure that you have an LRMDS portal account. So alam ko naman po na before ay na-access nyo na po itong LRMDS portal. So meron na po tayong mga account for this. So if you have not registered yet, follow the LR portal user guide to guide you in your registration process. So alternatively, seek assistance from any of your colleagues or your IT personnel in your school, district, or division. So as much as possible po, kung kaya ko po, ako po ay tutulong sa inyo sa pag-access ng LR portal. Kung hindi ko po kaya, magtatanong po tayo sa ating mga iba pa pong kasamahan. Okay, so you may also coordinate with your LAC leader or coach to understand the portal better. So you may watch the LR portal video tutorial na ipapakita ko po sa inyo later on. So DepEd Commons, ensure that you have access to DepEd Commons. So refer to memorandum on DepEd Commons dated March 17, 2020. Alam ko po na tayo po ay nakaka-access sa DepEd Commons kasi before po, nung tayo po ay nagkaroon po ng Bulkang Taal at saka po ng pandemic, alam ko po na isa po ito sa mga naging way para mag-transpire po ang learning sa ating mga bata, ang ating pong DepEd Commons. So, ayon po sa Department of Education Memorandum Number 82 Series of 2007, so the Learning Resource Management and Development System implementation in the rationalized DepEd structure dated April 24, 2007. So it states that the Department of Education reiterates the adoption and implementation of the Learning Resource Management and Development System, or the LRMDS, to provide emphasis on the LRMDS roles and responsibilities at all levels of governance. This is pursuant to the Acting Rules and Regulations of Republic Act 10533 entitled Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013 and as instructed in the DepEd Order number 76 series of 2011 entitled National Adoption and Implementation of LRMDS. And it also states that the LR portal is the official source of all DepEd developed and DepEd approved teaching and learning resources. So lahat po ng ating mga sources na resources, ito pong LR portal, ito po yung pinaka-approved at fully developed na portal po ng Department of Education kung saan dito po natin ma-access ang lahat ng mga learning resources na kailangan po natin para sa pagtuturo. Meron dito rin po natin ma-access ang ating mga CG, LMs, curriculum guide, teaching guides, learner materials, at iba po pong mga videos meron din dito sa LRMDS. So kung matatandaan po natin before, so pinagawa po tayo ng most essential learning competencies, tapos hahanap po tayo ng mga learning resources. So, isa po ang LRMDS sa pinaka-approved at developed na resources mula sa Department of Education. So, tayo din po ay nire-remind na published learning resources downloaded are free to use. However, they shall not be sold or used for commercial purposes. Yan. Libre po ang pag-access sa ating LRMDS. So, any unofficial use of public learning resources shall be sanctioned administratively. So, kapag po napatunayan na ang inyo pong ibinibentang mga resources ay galing po sa LRMDS, maaari po tayong patawan ng parusa. At take note po, tayo po ay minomonitor po ng Department of Education kung ginagamit po ba natin ang LRMDS or ina-access po ba natin ang LRMDS. Okay, so at this point, so we're going to access the Learning Resource Management System or the LRMDS. Okay, so this is the step-by-step tutorial para po ma-access po natin ang ating LRMDS. So, get ready.
The first thing to do is to open a browser, example Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, or Safari. And then in the address bar, type https://lrmds.deped.gov.ph and press enter. A web browser is displayed and the LR portal homepage will be seen. Next, click on the register link located at the upper right portion of the LR portal homepage. Then the LR portal registration screen is displayed. At this point, you may start filling in the details that are required, such as your full name. Specifically, it would require your last name, middle name, and first name. Then you have your email address, your username. Your username may opt to use an email address, granted that it is the same as the email address used under the email address input field. Otherwise, it will not be accepted by the system. Your password, then of course you have to repeat your password to confirm the preferred password. And then your birth date, gender, affiliation. The user's affiliation here refer and help the LR portal administrators to identify the number of users per school, division, and region. So for school users, you can type the school ID or school name in the school field in selecting the name of your school. Then you have the region, area of expertise, and of course you have to tick I will not distribute the materials found in the portal for commercial distribution. This denotes that the user's agreement in the use of LR portal's materials. And of course you also have to tick I have read and agree to the LR portal terms of use. This denotes the user's agreement to the LR portal's terms of use. And of course, there is a CAPTCHA security check to make sure that you're not a robot. By the way, let me emphasize the difference between using a DepEd email and a personal email or non-DepEd email when it comes to our access to learning resources. So when we use a DepEd email, It gives us the access to all learning resources available in the LR portal. This includes K-12 learners' materials and teachers' guides, ALS modules, professional development materials, and media gallery. However, if we use our personal email or non-DepEd email, it only gives us access to learning resources available, except for resources that are intended for educators and professional development. Alright, so after you have filled out all the necessary details needed for the registration, a message prompt is displayed with instruction to activate your user account via a verification message that is sent to your registered email address. So once you see this, check your email and open the verification message. The email message sent by the system is displayed. Afterwards, click on the Activate Your Account button to verify your email address and complete the registration process. A confirmation again will be displayed. Then you may now click on the Take Me Home button to start using the LR portal. Once you have clicked that button, the LR portal homepage will be displayed once again, and you may start logging in into our LR portal. At this point, let us talk about how to log in and log out in LR portal. First, click on the login link located at the upper right portion of the LR portal homepage. Then, the LR portal login screen is displayed. Enter login details such as username and password as authorized user, then click on the Sign In button. Afterwards, you will see your LR portal dashboard. To log out, simply click on the logout link located at the upper left portion of the LR portal dashboard. The system goes back to the LR portal homepage screen as a result. In case when the user forgot his or her password, the system has a facility to reset the password, update profile, change email address, and/or password. So here's what you are going to do if you happen to forget your password. At the login screen, click on the Click Here to Reset It link, and then the reset screen is displayed. Enter required information, then click on the Reset Password button. A message will be sent to your registered email address, then follow the instructions on how to reset your password. What if you'd like to update your profile? So here's what you're going to do. First, log in to LR portal, then click on the profile link located at the upper left portion of the LR portal dashboard. Afterwards, you will see the My Profile screen displayed with Profile as the default tab. To update profile, encode or change information as required in the field elements, click on the Save button to effect the encoded or changed data. Afterwards, the encoded or changed data are saved or displayed. For security purposes, the system does not allow user to update his current level of office, example from division to region and vice versa. Suppose you have already registered to the LRMDS portal using your Gmail account. However, it is encouraged that we use an account using the deped.gov.ph email. So here's what you're going to do to change your email address. Log in to LR portal. Then click on the profile link located at the upper left portion of the LR portal dashboard. As a result, you will see the My Profile screen displayed with your profile as the default tab. Then click on the Change Email tab, and then afterwards you will see the Change Email tab screen displayed. Next, encode or change information as required in the field elements. Then all the data will be saved and displayed. Afterwards, click on the Update email to effect the change data. A confirmation message prompt will be displayed afterwards. Click on the Yes, I'm Sure button to effect the change data. Now, if the newly entered email address has already been used, a system message will be displayed. So, the user has to change or enter another valid email address. Now, if Yes, I'm Sure button is clicked, a message prompt will be displayed. Click on the Cancel Request button if you do not want to proceed with the change of email request. Otherwise, open your email, your new email in particular, and verify the link provided to proceed with the updates. A system confirmation message will again be displayed if you do this. Click on the Yes Cancel Request button to cancel the request. Then the selected action will be performed. What if you'd like to change your password? All you just have to do is to again log into your LR Portal account, click on the profile link located at the upper left portion of the LR Portal dashboard, and then you will be prompted with your profile screen as the default tab. Then click the Change Password tab. This is actually the third tab within the My Profile menu. The Change Password tab will be displayed. Next thing to do is to encode or change information as required in the field elements, then click on the Change Password to effect the change data. The encoded or changed data are saved and the system message will again be displayed. After that, your password is changed successfully.
Ayan. So ngayon naman po ay panoorin po natin ang instructional video ng LR Portal para malaman po natin kung paano ba ina-access ang DepEd's LRMDS portal.
To do a quick LR search, you may use the portal's search box by typing in the title, keyword, or specific competency code of the resource on this area. You may filter your search by title, keywords, or description. If none is selected, the system shall populate list from all three categories based from the word you have entered. Click on the search icon or hit enter. Search results shall display according to type of users. By default, listed resources are for learners. By hitting Teachers Resources, system shall display all relevant teaching materials in the portal. Same goes for professional development and media resources. Each of these lists can be further refined by their corresponding resource types located at the right navigation panel. Note that if you can only view one or few classifications, it means that there are no materials tagged yet to the other resource types. To search and access K-12 resources, user must be logged into the portal with a member account at the least. Go to the Resources tab and click on the K-12 Resources link. This is the K-12 landing page. Here, you will see the topmost downloaded resources that are tagged under K-12. You may browse resources by grade level using the right navigation panel. For this example, I will browse grade 4 resources. Upon selecting specific grade level, the system shall display learning resources from where we can do further browsing of resources. Under each learning area, topics are listed with corresponding counts to better guide the user in browsing. After selecting a topic, list of related resources are displayed. Resources can be further filtered by special curricular program using these tabs. User can either view details of the resources or directly download material through this page. Note that, for non-DepEd users, one can only access and download learning materials and other supplementary resources in the portal. This is the resource detail page. Here you can view the resource key metadata such as description, objectives, resource type, file format, curriculum competency, and copyright details. To find ELS materials, go to Resources tab and select Alternative Learning System link. List of all resources tagged under ELS shall display. It can be filtered by literacy level using these tabs. Each of these lists can be further refined by their corresponding strands and stages located at the right navigation panel. To browse PDM materials, go to Resources tab and select Professional Development link. List of all resources tagged under Professional Development shall display. It can be further refined by domains on the right navigation panel. To view media resources such as photos, illustrations, audio and video, click on the Media Gallery link on the main menu. You shall then be redirected to the Media Gallery's homepage. Here you will see the most downloaded resource from the gallery. From this side, user can select a category that is related to what he needs. Resource thumbnails shall display with a short description of the selected category. User may hover each thumbnail to get a better view of the resource. List can also be filtered by resource types using these tabs. When user clicks on the thumbnail, the system shall display the resource details. From here, user can already download the material by clicking the download button.
Ayan, so sana po ay naging malinaw sa atin kung paano ba ina-access ang LRMDS portal. Kung kayo po ay may mga katanungan, so i-reserve na lang po natin yan maya-maya po. So at this point, so aalamin naman po natin kung paano ba ine-explore ang DepEd Commons.
How to access DepEd Commons and start using available online educational resources, or OER. First thing to do is to open an internet browser, and on the address bar, type in the DepEd Commons URL, which is commons.deped.gov.ph, then press enter. Select your school type, private or public. So in our case, we are public, so we have to choose public. Then input either your school ID or school name on the space just below your selected school type. Kindly check the correct spelling and location of the school. It is advisable that you search the complete name of the school to avoid mistakes. Click the button if you are a student or a teacher. Input your full name and email address. Then click on the Save button. Next, hover your mouse pointer to the left side of the screen where you will find the Select a Grade Level button. Then select the grade level you wish to explore. Once you have selected your grade level, click on the subject to drill down your resource need. The numbers indicate how many available resource or resources there are for each category. For instance, I'm looking for a certain topic in grade 8 English. All I have to do is to choose grade 8 and then choose English as the subject. From there, once it's clicked, all the available resources will be shown on the screen. Once I am able to get the topic that I need, I just have to click download and I'm done.
So ayan po, tapos na po ang ating lesson 2 on how to access the LRMDS portal and DepEd Commons. Sana po ito ay malaking tulong para sa ating mga guro na i-access po ang ating mga learning resources, materials para po sa ating mga bata sa darating na pasukan. Maraming salamat po.